Guys, Frank Curzio here with another live video. Today's big story was Tesla and how it surged and how the reason for the surge, 16% of battery optimism, which I don't know what that means, and speculation of S&P 500 inclusion. So I wanted to go over a couple of things with you guys just to let you know what's going on because it was up 16% Tesla today is the reason why it sold off. Again, Tesla can go a lot higher, but if you look at the research, I want to share with you, if you look at the inclusion in the S&P 500, which doesn't take a lot of work to do, guys, but yet there's so many stories. That's Business Insider. It's stories across the board saying how they're going to be included in the S&P 500. But when you look, it's 7 steps, right? So the company must be in the U.S. It must have a market cap of at least $8.2 billion. That's based on right now because they rebalance every quarter. At least 50% of the stock must be available to the public. Its stock price must be at least $1 per share. Must follow 10K. At least 50% of the revenue must be fixed assets. Look at the last one here that I highlighted. It must have at least 4 consecutive quarters of positive earnings. Now, let's see this. Let me bring up a little Capital IQ here for you. And there we go. Hopefully you guys can see this. But this is a quarterly earnings. So this is right here. If you can see this part, you can share it right here. So you're looking, if you can see my cursor here, it's March FQ1, and they lost money. They lost money for Q2. But look right here, 3 in a row. They made money. They made money. They need to do it 4 times in a row. Look at what they're going to report this quarter. They're going to lose 78 cents. That's pretty big, guys. That's a big number. So when I'm looking at a 78 cents loss, I'm looking at a company that could they manipulate their earnings? Maybe, but it's probably not going to be included, and it's probably going to have to wait another year to be included. And if you look even past what the earnings are expected, Q3 is a positive, easily going forward. But this one's a negative. You can't fault Tesla for that negative because everyone's going to report negative quarter, most companies, because of COVID virus. But be careful because there's a reason why Tesla, if you look today, and again, I do these videos live off the cuff. So let me bring this up and show you. There's a reason why Tesla right now, as of 3/31, is basically flat in a day. It was up 16% on news that doesn't exist. Unless they're going to manipulate earnings, which any company could do, chances are they're going to report that loss this quarter, and then it's going to reset. They have to report positive earnings 4 straight quarters. So it's probably going to be next year that you see Tesla get into the S&P 500, which is kind of crazy since now its market cap is in the top 10 of all the companies in the S&P 500. I'm Frank Curzio. As always, I'll report back to you guys soon. Take care.